Hello everyone, this is Joyful Decor and More with Denise. Today I would like to share with you how to glam up your kitchen island for the holidays. Interested? Please stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm starting here. First of all, I would like to say I pray everybody is having an awesome day. I pray everybody is doing well. And I started off here using only silver and red. And these are just some ideas to share with you how to glam up your island, kitchen island for the holidays. Using red and silver. This is the second place setting. I used two placemats there to kind of give it a little bit more substance. I just shopped my house and just put this together. Went out and purchased, didn't spend any money. It didn't purchase anything. Just to share with you a few tips of how to glam up your kitchen island for the holidays. And this is the last place setting. Basically, again, using just silver and red. And a little bit of glam. Here I use the two placemats, the charger, the red plate, the silver salad plate, and the bowl. There's poinsettia inside the bowl. Okay guys, again, everybody is getting ready for your holiday. And I pray that you all have a wonderful time. Be safe. Enjoy. If you're traveling, be safe in your travel. If you're already there, thank and praise Yahweh that you got there safely. Okay guys, I ask you to please comment and subscribe. Share and like. Just a few tips. Thanks for watching. And do enjoy your family and your holiday seasons. As I normally say to everyone, blessings.